It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to do some multi-game cards from the 90s. So, Judith, the multi-card collector here in the Netherlands, sent me this for review and for testing it out. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I will leave a link in the description for her Instagram, because she sends pretty picture, and you're really going to love it. But yeah, it's all about, of course, multi-game cards. Of course, I like to mention that because you're maybe getting the wrong idea here. So this one is the 1201. Of course, we know, for the people who don't know, it's a lot of bullshit because, yeah, there is no 1200 games on this thing. But I still love these old multi-game cards. So what I really love about it is its design. I have never seen this before. I never had this in my collection. And yeah, very happy to have it here on the channel, and so I can show you all. So really nice, very small design, more like a sticker from a Famicom card. So let's take it in, man. Retro Trio Plus. What's the name? Retro Trio 3 Plus. Man, they need to change the name. It's freaking annoying, the name. But yeah, nevertheless, let's go. Let's test it out because I'm curious what's inside. Many games. Alright, people. Let's take a close look at the menu. Alright, this is the first thing I have seen this one. This is really funny. The 1201 with the cute little duckies. Let's press start. Alright, what kind of games? We're not going through the freaking full list because I know for sure all double games. But let's take a closer look. How can I go to the other page? I need to scroll down. Alright. Oh man, is there no way of... Oh yeah, there is a way. Just pressing the B button. Popeye, Galaxian, Pac-Man, Ninja, Circus, Charlie. I think this needs to be Charlie. Can I go back or something? No. Yeah, I can go back. These are already double ones. Super Fighter. Duck Hunt. Hogan's Alley. Ice Climbers S8. Oh yeah. Galaza 8. So here's the double one. Miss Pac-Man. Oh my god. There are only what? Let's say 30 games or something. Yeah, there's around 30 up to 40 games to this card. Alright. Let's take a close look at some games and let's see how they are running. Let's go back to the menu. Number one. Super Fighter. Oh, serious? Oh great, this one is awesome. I've never played this one before. Super Fighter 2. So that's very unique and homebrew game. Alright. Fight Ryu. Or do I, oh no, I choose Ryu. Oh, I can even do some moves. Oh, this game is for a hack game. This is really funny. I'm getting my ass kicked. No, not in the freaking corner. No. Let's reset. Reset. Let's say wrecking. What is wrecking? I'm for curious. Oh, wrecking crew. Is this? Yeah, right. I didn't play this game very much. Oh, I need to controls. Really need to get used to. Alright, reset. Let's see what for games are more on this card. No. Already choose Street Fighter. Milk nuts. What is milk nuts? Alright. So let me know if you play this game. I have never played a game. Oh, I just killed myself or what? Whatever. Next game. Sasa. Of course I'm going to try all these games. These weird name games or name games I don't know. Sasa, what is Sasa? Maybe some of you have played this game, but I have really no clue what it is. Alright. Yeah, alright. Nevertheless. No, I don't want to choose Street Fighter. So, for the final conclusion about the 1201. Of course, like I already mentioned in the beginning of the video, there are not 1200 games on it. There are only around 30 up to 40 games. There are some good games on it, very familiar games. And I'm not talking only about the Mario game, but the Wrecking Crew. A lot of fun games. And back at the time, you must remember that back at the time, games were freaking expensive. And if you get your hands on one of these multi-game cards, as a child, I can still remember I had some of these and it was more like, wow, I have 40 games. Woo! And I had a multi-game card that even had some, let's say, hacked version with infinite life of Contra and that kind of stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. Want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell.